Well, it's that time of year again. We're gonna make ourselves a delicious turkey breast in the Instant Pot with a crazy good gravy. Check that out. Well, we have a lot to do tonight, so let's pour ourselves a glass of IPA on this beautiful holiday. Well, that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Take a big drink. I'll go ahead and start our rub with rub sage. Some thyme. There's our salt. Some celery salt. Then we have some granulated garlic and some smoky paprika. Some fresh cracked black pepper. We'll stir it up well. Beautiful rub. We'll take a whole onion and chop that onion into medium pieces. We'll use that onion for our gravy. Have 1 head of garlic we'll slice in half. I recommend a head of garlic with plenty of skin on it to keep everybody together. And we'll hit our saute function. When the pot is hot, we'll add our oil. Throw your onions in there and stir them up. Make sure your onions get oily. Saute for about 1.5 minutes and stir them up. Another 1.5 minutes and then cancel your saute. And we'll add our chicken broth. Give it a little stir and get everybody underneath the chicken broth. Then we'll add our garlic. Put your garlic in slice side down there. There she is. There's our turkey breast. We go ahead and hold up our turkey breast. We'll oil it up inside and outside. We'll add our rub. Make sure we get that rub everywhere, inside, outside, under the skin. There you go. And we'll put that turkey breast right into our Instant Pot. And put your lid on. Seal it up. And we'll pressure cook for 40 minutes, 6 minutes a pound, with a 10-minute natural pressure release. We'll release our pressure. We'll take our lid off. Alright, we'll take our turkey breast out. Cancel our pressure cook and hit saute. Take that head of garlic out. It all stays together and pretty easy. Use a gravy whisk and beat up those onions real good. I'm going to make our slurry with a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch and a few tablespoons of water. You can add more cornstarch if you like your gravy a little thicker. There you go. Mix it up real well. Get a nice smooth slurry. I love my gravy whisk, everybody. It works so good. We're gonna whisk in our slurry. Isn't that pretty? Alright. We'll let that simmer. We have a 400-degree preheated air fry basket here. We'll oil it up well. Use an EVO oil sprayer. Tip it up when you release the trigger. It'll suck up oil instead of air. Now we'll drop our turkey breast right into our basket there. You can use the broiler too if you'd rather. Put it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. Our gravy's got a nice boil going. It is the holidays, so we're going to add a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. You can always add cream instead. Beautiful. Check that out. Alright, we'll whisk that in real well. Mix it up good. We'll keep it on saute and we'll add our drippings from our plate. Get a nice boil going and stirring occasionally. Make sure nothing burns on the bottom. Give it a little whirl. It's looking good. Once your gravy gets nice and velvety, cancel your saute. And we'll take our turkey breast out of the air fryer and put it on a cutting board. We'll make a tent out of aluminum foil. I'll let that turkey breast sit for about 15 minutes. Thanks for the help today, buddy. Appreciate it. Now the turkey breast sits, we'll go ahead and pour ourselves a glass of wine. We got ourselves a aged bourbon barrel Zinfandel we got from Pelt Syrup in Temecula. Perfect wine on a beautiful holiday. There you go. Pour yourselves a holiday-sized glass of wine there. The turkey breast is ready. We'll take our tent off. Let's carve this turkey breast. We'll run a sharp knife right along the inside of the sternum. Kind of follow along the wishbone of that turkey. Let's kind of pull that turkey breast right off. Yeah. So everybody gets a nice serving of that delicious, crispy turkey breast skin. We'll slice it nice and thick and chop it in half. There you go. Check out that turkey. We made some seasoned potato wedges to go alongside. We're gonna drizzle everything real well with some of that delicious gravy we made. Don't be afraid to add plenty of gravy. It'll give you extra gravy on your plate to mop up as you eat your food. What a great Thanksgiving. Good food and good company. All right. A nice piece of turkey right there. Hey, baby girl. How are you doing? She's my supervisor when it comes to cooking dinner. Well, you can see, it's a beautiful piece of turkey. Plenty of gravy. Looks like she thinks I need a little bit more turkey breast, too. A good kid. We just gotta keep an eye on that girl. Well, I had a lot of fun, but it's time to say goodnight. Happy Turkey Day. If you like what you see here, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. If you're interested in this recipe, there is a link below this video's description. Click on it, it'll take you right to it on our website. Check out our other recipes too. We also have some links to some of the appliances and tools that we used in this video and other ones that makes my job a lot easier in the kitchen. Happy holidays, everybody. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.
What?